When COVID hit and we were mandated to stay home, we decided to take on our own project. No joke, we gutted this kitchen. That's my husband, Scott. And he's amazing and truly the brains behind the entire project. I just like to do the pretty stuff, and I'm an interior designer for a living. So once we were allowed to go back to work, our kitchen got pushed back and back and back, and we are closing in on a year and finishing up. I'm so thankful, and it was well worth the wait.